Hi there, students. Cull. Cull can be either a verb to cull or a noun, a cull. Okay, to cull is to select and kill certain animals from a group, to reduce the numbers in a controlled way. It's population management. Your objective is not to exterminate them completely, but to reduce their numbers, to kill the surplus, if you like. So I know in the Arctic they cull seals, or they used to. They used to kill quite a number of seals to stop a population explosion. There's been a lot of argument about the culling of elephants in Africa, because in some places there are too many and they are destroying the habitat. So maybe they need culling. In the UK, they cull badgers, a badger. This is because they say that badgers pass the disease tuberculosis to cows. So they cull them, they reduce the numbers. Okay, a farmer could cull a herd, select the weakest animals and kill them or take them out of the herd. And like that, the genetics should improve. Now, we can also use to cull, or a cull, meaning to select or pick items from a larger group, not necessarily animals. The idea is to keep the best things. So, to select the best and to get rid of the worst, to weed out. He culled the weaker candidates from his list. You know these TV contests where each week one of the candidates is culled and thrown out of the programme. In hard economic times, companies cull their workforce. I think you can use to cull meaning to sack as well. So to cull, to choose the best and get rid of the worst. He wrote the article by culling information from several newspapers. So go round selecting and choosing the bits that you want. I also noticed in the dictionary that there's a meaning, a cull, a fool or gullible person, but I've never come across this meaning. So, to cull, to get rid of the worst items in a group and keep the best. Okay, this word to cull comes into English from French, cueillir, to pick or select. And that in turn comes from Latin, colligo, to gather or to gather together. Notice as well, to cull is a regular verb. They culled the animals. The badgers have been culled. Now, next question. What about formality? I think I would probably give this word something like a 6 in formality. You could just about use it in an informal conversation, but I might use weed out or something like that. To cull or a cull in something semi-formal or very formal is a good word to use. So, to cull, to kill animals to reduce the population, to select animals to improve the genetics and kill the weak ones, to select the best from a group of things and get rid of the worst. So there you go, cull. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Cull.